Okay, and even if you have an older camera, this is the actual box it came in. So just to let you know, I'll be doing an unboxing in one moment, but just wanted to show you that you can use your current equipment or even, a more economical piece of equipment in order to film your planner videos and do your creative content. So this is one setup that I have. Just testing it out now. Of course, I'll bring you an update during the workshop week. Which brings me to my next point. Hold on one second. Okay, so I use the Get to Work book by Elise Joy to plan everything out from the 18th through the 24th. Oops. Let's turn it that way. See? Oh, these are all the sections that I'm going to be touching on. So that actually goes in another notebook. So, see, I can use I think this is the 2017 version, which was the academic. So it started in July, of course, and went all the way through to June of 2019. So I can still use the sections in order to upcycle and plan out my videos. So, okay, let's get to what I wanted to do on this Tuesday, which is an unboxing video. Okay, that's the new camera. Let me turn this brightness down a little bit, which I didn't think was necessary, but here we go. Okay, hopefully that makes it better. What I like about this is you can turn it up by percentage. It's not like a one off, one on. Okay, so you can film in 1080p as well as 720p, and currently I'm using the C922 in order to film this unboxing. But for my sponsors as well as my Patreon participants, I'm going to be doing all of the future videos in high definition as well as streaming some in-studio sessions. So just to show you, this is what the camera comes with. I'll of course link it down in the comment section below in case you want to pick up one for your studio. But here goes. It has a little handle that I'm not going to hang it on the wall, but I'm going to hold on to the original box and the papers that come with it, because usually what happens is you find out a lot of your equipment comes with a lot of just capabilities native to the device, and it's all there we go. Camera's on top. Let me lighten this a little bit. There we go. When you're using natural sunlight, it varies your ability. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so it pretty much looks like the C922, but this is way better. Okay, let me just unbox it so then you can see what comes with it. So there's the camera, and I saw it comes with its own tripod, and this is I guess tripod is linked right in there. See, I didn't want to tear the box. There we go. Okay. I'll leave all that in there. Look at that later on. This is cute. Smaller than what I thought it would be, but I'm sure it's going to do the job. It's very weighty, So, and this is not as heavy as I thought, but nonetheless, it comes with a fastener, of course, and the legs are extendable. Okay, that's why. This is too super cute. Okay. I'll do a full setup for you in the next video. It can do different lengths, so you can shorten it all the way down. You have 3 separate. I think this is the full extension of it. I think too, even if I wanted to do like a selfie cam, then I can use this to stabilize. I also have other tripods with the same extension, so I usually like to use those to change up the device as well as the mount setup, which is what I did with my current camera that I'm filming on right now. So, okay. Alright, so you can see that comes there. And this makes it adjustable. Definitely thought of everything as far as packing is concerned. Oh, I think it flips out 3 ways. Don't want to break it. Of course, this is why I hold on to the manual. And here's the camera. Alright. And of course, this part is the USB that plugs into your laptop or your desktop computer. So, that's pretty much it. Let me do this part here. See, this is what I mean by like selfie, and then I can use it as I move around the studio, because a lot of times I'm going to be doing choreography for the spring and summer and want to be able to move out of one station. So, and I also had a magnet come with the C922, which I didn't use because I changed out the mount, which I'll share with you in my next video for the workshop. Okay. Alrighty, that's the unboxing of the C922. I'm so excited. I'm sure the level of quality of video is going to be that much even more better. I've even seen some videos where they warn you it's a little bit too like the resolution is too much when you focus on your face, but I'm not concerned about that. So I'll have more for you next week as we continue the winter workshop. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. Take care.